Here's how to fix a website that will not load on your school Chromebook, specifically when JavaScript has been accidentally blocked in your own browser settings. This fix is for your own browser settings only. If your school has locked your Chromebook settings, the options in this guide will be grayed out and you will need to contact your school IT team instead. Open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Scroll down and click JavaScript. Scroll down to the Customize Behaviors section. Under Not Allowed to Use JavaScript, you will see a list of sites that have been specifically blocked in your browser. Find the website that is not loading in that list. Click the three dots next to it and select Remove. This does not force the site on, it simply removes the custom block so the site follows your browser's default JavaScript behavior, which is usually Allow. Refresh the website and it should now load correctly if JavaScript was the cause and if the site is permitted on your school's network. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.